First, let's enable the app embed in your Shopify theme. Click the Enable App button on your screen. This will open the Shopify theme editor. In the editor, you'll see a message at the bottom that says UploadMate activated. Next, click the Save button to save your changes. If the Save button isn't clickable yet, please wait for the editor to fully load. Once saved, close the theme editor and return to the app. You'll now see a confirmation message. App enabled successfully. Now let's create your first option group. An option group is simply a set of upload or text fields that appear on your product pages. Click the Next button to start. Here, you can configure your option group. Start by entering a group name. This name is just for you to identify it inside the app. It won't appear on your storefront. Next, choose your product targeting. This decides which products will show your upload or text fields. You can apply it to all products or select specific products. Then, set up your upload field details. Field name, placeholder text, allowed file quantity, allowed file types, and field style. You can click Add another field to include more upload or text fields and customize each one. By default, your upload fields appear above the Add to Cart button. If you want to change their position, you can do that by enabling the app block in your theme. Once everything looks good, click Save. Now it's time to test it in your store. Go to one of the targeted product pages. You'll see the upload or text fields you created. Try uploading a file or entering some text. Then continue to check out to confirm it works perfectly. To view and download uploaded files, go to the Order Details page in your Shopify admin. There, you'll find links to each uploaded file. Just click a link to download the file.